Hello guys, we're going to take one of those clear glass and we're going to spray paint it in white and then we're going to place it upside down like that. We're going to take this little round floor foam and we're going to grab the hot glue and place it all around it and then attach it to the top of the glass like that. Just hold it into place. Then after that, I'm going to take a toothpick and place it inside the flower and then attach it to the floor foam like that. So we're going to continue attaching flowers to the floor foam all the way around it. And then I'm going to take this cute little gold little balls and I'm going to place it around there just to make it extra cute. Then I'm going to take this glass and place it inside and I'm going to put some rocks so it won't show the floor foam at the bottom, then place a candle inside. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. Simple, easy decoration that you guys can do at home, and it's so inexpensive for you guys to do, and this one can look cute on any flower or color. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna put a toothpick and then place flour around it. And here on the one that we left some space. And but before you guys do that, make sure to put one of these candle holder, put a little bit of hot glue, and you're going to attach it to the top of the floor foam like that. Then after you attach it into place, then you guys can put the flowers. Then I'm gonna take a candle and put a little bit of hot glue just to attach it into place in the candle holder like that. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. Simple and easy. This is another way that you guys can do. If you want to, you decide if you want the long candle or you decide if you want the short candle. It's up to you guys. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna grab one of these cute little boxes, birthday boxes, and we're gonna spray paint it in gold like we have used before. Then I'm gonna take this candle holder and I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue all the way around the candle holder, and then I'm going to take the box and place it right on top like that and just hold it into place until it attach. Then I'm going to take these branches and place it on that side like that, and then I'm going to take the other branches and place it in the other side. You could do any branches or color that you guys would like. I'm going to take this greenery and place it right in the back like that. Just go ahead and place it through the floral foam. And then I'm going to take another one and place it in the other side. You don't have to put the greenery if you want it to be a shorter version, not a tall version. And then I'm going to just go ahead and take the flower and place it inside. And here, make sure to grab one of the stick, place it inside the flower, and then you're gonna place it inside. And you're gonna do this until you do the whole thing all the way around it. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. So simple and so inexpensive that you guys can do. And I think this one also looks great with any color of the flower that you guys do or any color that you guys decide to do. And it could you can add up things if you want to do a different theme or birthday party decorations. Now for the next idea, we're gonna grab and take the flower out because we're gonna put something inside. So just go ahead and take it out and go ahead and grab one of these candle holder and place it right in there and attach it into place. Then after you guys attach it into place, I'm gonna take this the glass, and place it on top. Just make sure to attach it into place, and then go ahead and grab your flower and attach it all the way around it. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. Simple and easy that you guys can do at home. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Lily. I hope you guys like this DIY video. Let's not forget to comment, like, and share. Thanks again for watching.